I hear you.
They go every now and then. They even taught us a new culture of going to put flowers on the graveyard. Why is it so important to them?
Because they acknowledge
you watch their movies. You watch their movies. You look at, like, us putting flowers on the graveyard. It's not us. That's it. Kodwa
xa siphahla kurongo kodwa bona xa behamba beyothetha nabo emathuneni wabo kuright.
Yeah. So they for you, your ancestors are demons, but them, they acknowledge them.
They even go there, visit and talk to them.
They go there, they carry flower. That's why ngithi basifundise lo mkhuba. Sekuwumkhuba wethu manje. Iya emathuneni, go to the entrance. What are they selling?
Flowers.
Okay. Is that
who we are? Not.
Is that African?
Not. Tina, we know
but
that.
We saw it on TV. Yeah. We saw when a soldier dies in a certain movie and the wife goes, buys flowers and goes there and put them there. And we're like, oh, okay, this is nice. This is cute. Fancy. It's cute.
But mina mangishisa impepho manje ngibiza abasekhaya. It's voodoo. I hear you. So
we lose ourselves and we divert into this white cultural norms and we think they are modern. But to them they are deep rooted.
It's their daily lifestyle.
Yeah. Why kumele kushunqe intuthu endlini yomlungu njalo make celebrate something?
But they call it sage. They will always do that. I'm getting rid of bad omen, bad spirits and all that.
Asikiyeke lokho.
Okay.
He buys a car. What he does?
Celebrated.
A braai.
Yes.
He buys a house. What he does?
Celebrated. Housewarming.
A braai. There's a braai. I think, I don't know if it's like that outside of South Africa, but mostly white South Africans.
Yeah, they always celebrate.
There's always a braai.
Even the promotion, there's braai. Kodwa mina mangithenga imoto ngihamba ngayohlaba ngithi ngibika imoto, it's wrong. Mina mangine promotion emsebenzini ngihamba ngiyobonga abakithi, it's wrong.
Kushunqa intuthu. Why kumele kushunqa intuthu? Why don't they do it? Why don't they do it like they normally do it? Buy pizzas, buy takeaways, sit at the table and celebrate.
Or go to the restaurant.
Why don't they go to the restaurant and celebrate it? Why is it important that there has to be smoke?
Oh wow.
I don't know.
I
don't know why.
You.
But
I'm with you.
I've seen that happening. Yeah. I've seen it. I see it happening randomly.
It's their culture.
It's their culture.
Yeah. It's their culture.
It's their culture.
I like what you're saying. Actually, you're giving me a lot of thoughts. Guys, I hope you are getting yourself into what Uzweli is saying now. Because kuba nesabele ekugqibeleni baye batshise something. But how we do it, Tina, it's always questionable.
The biggest problem is us explaining. Having to explain ourselves. Why are we doing certain things? Why do I need to explain to you?
If you are not part of my culture, is that what you mean?
Yeah. Why should I make you feel okay with what I believe in? Why kumele ngik-accommodate?
Why should I feel like I'm owing you something?
Yeah. It's me. It's who I am. It's what I believe in. Whether you like it or not, it's either you respect it or you fuck off.
Oh, because my brain's like, you're making me think harder about this. Because as I'm saying that, I never saw it that way when they braaiing or anything. Because we know whatever that the achievement that they have is there's always a braai and call the families and loved ones and celebrate it. And we're doing it that as well, but in a different form. But yeah, it's culture. Ngivumelana nawe lapho.
And when uzoba obsession, even when you do a braai, you wanna go to a park. Ufuna ukuyoshunqisela epakini.
Kodwa bona benzela endlini yabo.
Bona benzela la egcekeni, kushunqele intuthu. which is a form of iziko for them. You understand? When was the last time you cooked outside? When was the last time? When was the last time you had iziko?
December mna ndisuka ekhaya mna. Le nto ngeke kuye kuthiwe ngamanye amaxesha noba ungena meaning or une reason yokushunqisa vele uthi wenza iti. Ayinagama. Mna ekhaya ndikhule sometimes umama avele nje yenze noma umqombothana omncinci okuthenga inkukhu eyi-1 athi hayi ndenza iti. Abize noba abantu ababini abathathu batye.
Unuka amavovo la ekhaya achele ngamavovo, unuka ngamavovo, uthathe lesa silwanyana uhlabe. You acknowledging those that are with you. Abanikazi bomuzi.
Yazi le nto itsho ndixelela iyandoyikisa mna ngoku, even if umuntu endibiza entweni zakhe, because of ndike ndabukela some segment where the guy said wayikhuluma ngezithwalo, uthi izithwalo zakhe zenza ukuthi makabize abantu bazotya ku-the way athatha intlantla zabo ngakhona. So yabona ukuthi ke usesokoyika thina nokuhambela into zabantu bengathi awuhambelani izinto because of kwale nto uba si-acknowledge culture nokungcola kuninzi kuyo yonke le nto, uyayibona?
Nokungcola kunini.
So ndizawuza njani mna Zwe ma undibizile kwakuba uhlabe something ngoba ngoku nithatha intlantla zethu. Ndifika mna phayana ndizocelebrate nawe kanti wena uyayazi uba njengoba uhlabile nje uqokolela intlantla zethu.
Be closer to those that are within you. They will control your life. They will save you from.
Say that again. Be closer to those who are within you. Uthi uEkhwanaba. Uti build a close relationship with your God. Because of the day, akathi the day, uti on a daily basis, xa uthetha naye uyayirecognize ivoice yakho. Uyakwazi he's not a gossiping God. Xa kufuneka ikuxelele something uzoxelela, kodwa uba ungumntana ongathethi noyise, ufike ngoDisemba sewusithi tata ngicela undiphe imali yobuya. Uzothi ndifowunele ngoba kutheni. So ndiyayiva le nto itsho uba uhlala unabo.
There are a lot of instances whereby you were supposed to come out at 10 and something delayed you. You came out at 10 minutes after and there's an accident.
True.
It's because you were not in control. But those that are in control of your life stopped you for you not to be involved in that.
Sometimes even ukuhlasimlelwa ngumzimba.
Yeah. So kukhona imgidi, amajadu, imicimbi ongafuneki kuyona, that those that are within you will make a way for you not to be there.
To excuse yourself. Hi.
Because they are spiritual and they see.
And you have a close relationship with them.
A close relationship to them. They will make a way for you not to be there. Ufuna wena. You will even feel guilty about it. But you are not supposed to be there and you won't be there.